During a rain event or seasonal snowmelt, water can find its way to your home's foundation. The water then flows through a perforated pipe or weeping tile and is directed into your sump pit. Problems may occur if the pump burns out from overuse or aging. You can prevent recirculation of water in your sump pit by sending the water away from your home using proper grading and a splash pad. It is important to perform regular maintenance checks on your sump pump system every spring as well as every couple of months. The winters in Alberta can be long and cold. It's very important to check the sump pump and discharge piping regularly. The water in the sump pump pit will fill up to it reaches the float. Once at that point, it will then discharge outside into either a stormwater system directly or out onto your property. For more information on water, contact Strathcona County Utilities.